We're going to Singapore and Malaysia, sponsored by Dating Cozy.
You heard that right. We went to Singapore and Malaysia in just one trip. And our round-trip airfare was only 7,411 pesos per person. And in this vlog, I will share how I did it so you can also plan a trip like this on a budget. I book our flights with Scoot Airlines. I choose Scoot because they usually offer flights with long layovers in Singapore. So we had a 10-hour layover, which gave us enough time to leave the airport and visit some famous places like Merlion and Marina Bay Sands. After that, we went back to the airport and took our next flight to Malaysia, which is only an hour away. Come with us as we travel, explore, and celebrate together their silver wedding anniversary and also their first time traveling abroad. So if you have any questions about the flights or the layover, feel free to ask in the comments.
Kenny Rogers. Wow.
Oh my god, 2 hours, more than 2 hours ng delay yung flight. Nakantok na talaga ako. Chicken sandwich and dried mangoes.
Dahil late yung aircraft, ito, may snacks, harap.
I initially suggested we go to Chinatown so they can try the Hainanese chicken at Maxwell Food Center, but since they can't manage to walk that much or transfer from one LRT to one another, we just decided that we go straight to the Merlion, and this is the only restaurant available in front of that huge statue. So we don't really have another option. This. But personally, I think the food is really worth it as well. It's just worth the price, or I'm just justifying it. Okay na, okay na. Video na yan. Yes, video. Hindi ko alam. Back to the airport with us. So if you're going to Singapore soon and have a GoTime card, I must say you're all set for transportation. You can use it on LRT, buses, and even for payments. Since my mom didn't have one, I had to get her an EasyLink card at Changi Airport Station. The card costs 10 Singaporean dollars plus 10 for the load, so that's about 900 pesos in total. And me and my dad only spent 223 pesos each for a round trip from the airport to Merlion using GoTime. So make sure to have your GoTime card ready to save on transportation in Singapore. Ano? Kaya pala ang gaan-gaan. Sabi ko, ba't parang ang gaan ng dala ko? Na paano na ba? Ano yung bag mo? Bakit kaya yung bag ko nandito? Hindi nagsasalita yung bag mo eh. Hello, daddy, mommy. Hi.
Okay. Milo din sila.
Oh, may own version sila ng Milo. Let's try the Milo Dinosaur. This is 6.8 yung dock. Servings nila. So,
Chicken
pala,
barbecue.
nilagay chicken. The coffee is like 56 pesos lang. Tapang ng kape nila, walang creamer. Tapos sabi ko, can I have some sugar? Sabi niya, no sugar, less sugar. Pipilitan kayo mag-less sugar.
Tasty nung dock.
Ay, pasok siya sa ano, panlasa ng Pinoy.
Sarap.
Yung kanin nila, lasang tinola. Halos ganito lang din yung ano, lasa ng Hainanese chicken, daddy. Lasang tinola. Paano ko kumadami yung kanin? 60 times 5, 30, 60, 75 ang kanin. Medyo mahal. Nasa ano nga kasi airport. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Humingi ka
Sit
pang
there.
soup.
Hindi ako humingi. Sabi nga, mag-adobo akong soup. Sabi ko hindi na. Sabi niya, okay, but I will add usually. Lasang tinola talaga yung kanin. Yeah. Bakit tayo mo kung bigyan ng duck? Iba. Ganito ba yun? Nag-mild sa ibang bansa. Sarap oh. Sarap. Pero may kakaiba sa taste. Sarap. Tikman mo, daddy.
Mamaya.
Morning, Philjos. So we managed to check in last night since their front desk is open 24/7. We were just asked to deposit 100 RM and they said it'll be returned upon checkout. We also purchased a breakfast buffet last night to get the discounted price. We love the food selection. This is where we're staying. This is literally beside Merdeka LRT station. And you won't go hungry because they have a cafe, restaurant, and a convenience store. This is the room. Looks exactly like the photos online. Clean beds, has a reliable Wi-Fi, and a workspace. Yes, they also deliver new bath towels every day, free water, a bidet, and most importantly, a hair blower. Oh my gosh. And this is how the room looks like in the morning. So refreshing, right? So if you're planning to stay here, book it through Agoda using my code PHILJO to get 8% off. See the description for details on how to redeem it. Hello guys. Let me put you down there. Oh my gosh, hindi ako marunong mag-open ng mic. Pero usually, pag kinonek ko to, hello, but meron nag-a-appear dyan sa mismong camera. Baka naman lobat kasi, I don't know. Anyways, we're waiting for the Grab. Pupunta ka na kami malapit sa may Rex KL. Siyempre, kakain muna kami, wala pa kaming kain. Minutes left. Okay, sabang naghihintay, I'm just gonna tell you the story. The story! Kahapon, bakit sobrang banas na ang lala? Kasi our flight got delayed. Siyempre, nausog yung itinerary namin for Singapore and may mga hindi na kami nadaanan. Pero, ayun nga, after all, sabi nga din ni Ferdy, if it's for the safety, wala naman din problema. And true naman, true. Wala problema talaga sa delay. Ang nakakabana, service sa NAIA. Grabe talaga. Sobrang tagal namin pumila dun sa check-in counter. Parang almost 1.5 hours. Sa check-in counter pa lang yun. May ang pagdating dun sa immigration, ang tagal din. Overall experience, tinignan ko sa mga photos kasi hindi man ako nagbe-video. Si daddy yun, sabi ko wag siya mag-video kasi nasa immigration area na. Ang pinagbabasihan ko lang na mga ganyan, yung gano'ng katagal, is the photo. Kunyari, pinicturean ko yung passport ko while nasa check-in. Tapos, yung may mga ini-screenshot ako sa e-gov or something. So, doon, nakita ko ba na 2 hours ang pinila namin sa check-in and immigration. Imagine mo naman, there are days naman na okay talaga yung service. Mabilis lang. Wala pang 20 minutes, which is 20 minutes is mahaba pa rin kapag na-try mo na yung airport sa ibang bansa. Ngayon 2 hours kang pipila. Nakatayo ka lang, pagod na pagod ka, wala kang tulog. Mababanas ka talaga. Para may compare mo talaga. Kahit ayaw mo naman, mako-compare mo na. Bakit ba pinapahirap nila yung mga sistema ng bagay-bagay? Nakakaloka talaga, babe. Tapos meron pa nga yung habang nandun kami sa Singapore airport. Ano na to? Papunta na sa Kuala Lumpur. Paglagpas namin ng immigration, alam mo may nagsalita dun. Hindi sila Pinoy ah. Sabi niya talaga, Philippines is the worst. They asked me to remove my shoes. So, ayun guys. Pag sa NAIA kayo lilipad, siguraduhin nyo magbaon ng sandamakmak na pasyensya. This is our first day in Kuala Lumpur. The same day, I realized Grab rides are affordable here and more convenient, especially if you're traveling as a group because you can simply divide the fare. Our Grab fares only range from 8 to 15 ringgit or 95 to 180 pesos only. And also, the drivers are very honest and friendly too. Thank you. Sir, is the Petaling Street closed?
Yeah, all this is, the Petaling Street I think is under renovation.
Oh, okay, I
You can just
see.
walk straight and then you have a lot of shops there.
Okay, got you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Bye-bye. Pero ayun sana yung kakainan natin, yun, no? Yung Hokohaw na, ay Hainam. Kaso sarado. Doon sa kabila kasi puro ano pala to, inumin. Yung dinadaanan. What's that? Rice. I need rice. Kasi nagugutom na talaga ako. Dessert. Parang may kanin naman. Yeah, Osmo Pocket.
Oh, you can please write because I was telling about my friend.
Yeah,
Looks
it's very compact, and actually I just added this one, but the camera is just this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's very good. You can. Oh, how right?
DJI. DJI. Are you also vlogging?
Yeah. Sometimes I want to start, but I don't.
You should start as well. Because me, I was hesitating back then, but I started it like 2 years. Like I wasn't looking on the subscriber, but I was just doing it for myself, for memories.
Yes.
Yeah. Do you want to check it out?
Yes.
The YouTube. Where are you from?
Brazil.
Brazil. Wow. We're from the Philippines.
Oh,
Have you been there?
No, never. But I want one day.
Yeah, you should come. This is the channel. Are you traveling alone?
No. I'm
You're with your
for-
friends.
No, yeah, I'm for modern.
I see.
This one?
Yes, that one. Oh, thank you so much. Have a great day. Picture?
Picture.
This is my dad and my mom. It's their silver anniversary.
Oh,
Yeah. Okay. Hi.
You say birthday.
No, anniversary.
really?
Right. They've been together for 25 years.
Oh, this is very good. Congratulations.
Alright, nice to meet you. Bye. Tinanong niya kasi kung ano daw yung camera. Tapos gusto niya rin daw kasi mag-start mag-vlog. Ayun na mga kanin-kanin. Ayan, pili na lang kayo. Doon kanina may kanin din, pero mukhang maraming tao. Baka masarap. Sa dulo. Ano pa? Sige. Luma, vintage yan. Grabe na.
Nakidulya na 1.5 sa isang piraso.
From Brazil. Ang ganda, no?
Ang ganda niya.
Doon na lang tayo.
Nak, bakit doon dati tayo sa street na yun? Gusto maraming street na.
Ito, maraming turista? Eh, kaso nagugutom na nga. Rice. Oh, sige. Rice meal. Ito, salted egg chicken chop rice. Is this Malaysian food?
Yes.
Ah, okay. Ayun, 16 lang. Nasa ano lang siya, parang 300 isa. Tara, order naman tayo sa loob. Ito kayo yung bestseller nila. Chicken ba? Sir, is this chicken?
Chicken Thai.
Huh?
Thai.
Thai? But chicken.
Yeah. To the sambal.
Ah, this one. Is it spicy? No.
Spicy.
Ah, okay.
Order one.
Grabe yung spicy. Is it spicy? No.
Spicy.
Mangang lang talaga nakakaiyak pero masarap. Masarap yung pagkakahang. Compliment yung dilis tsaka may ay yung peanut. Kaya nga eh. Ha? This is where we ate our lunch or parang pa-dinner na nga. Sa Black Bros Coffee.
Galing dito tapos papasok ka.
Ah, saan yung cellphone niya, ma? Saan ba yung Google Maps natin? Hello! Mapawak mo na cellphone ko, ma. Okay, wait lang. Ipapoint. Ay, sige, yan. Go. 1, 2, 3, go. Yan. Okay. Sorry. Merong renta ng ano, guys. So, ang cute. Renta ng mga costume. Friends, pwede dito. Pwede mag-rent ng costume mo. Ang galing. Ayun, no. Kita ko lang din siya sa video. Ayun, picturean ko pala kayong dalawa. Yun po kayo dun, no. We're passing through. Magkano? 15. RM. 12. 7. 3, 4, 20. 6. Mahal. Mahal to. Mahal pa yan. Ito, tignan natin. 10. 10. Mahal. No. Wow. Nabaybayin mo lang daw tong isang ganito. Nasaan na ang aking mother and father, gentleman, nandoon. Ay, bili tayo ng ano, Jimmy's. Puntahan natin yung Jimmy's ice cream. Ayun, guys. Ang saya din mag-explore dito sa Kuala Lumpur. Para din siyang Singapore, guys. Pero I feel like mas okay dito. Oh, bias lang ako. Pero maganda. Would I go back here? Yes. Kasi very, very friendly yung mga tao dito. Hindi sila rude. Very accommodating. Very Pinoy. Gano'n. Ay, wait lang. Baka na mawala na tayo. Isang liko. Tapos pag... Tara, tatawid tayo. Teka lang. Parang sa kabilang sa... Okay. Yung Petaling Street, guys. Pero sarado siya. So sad. And dan na kami kay Jalan Petaling. Ay, hindi pa. Wala. Sarado talaga. Kasi yung daanan neto sa gitna dapat eh. So, sarado talaga siya. Ayan, ginagawa talaga yung gitna. Ayan, guys. So, ginagawa siya. Mura na kaya yun? 3 pieces for RM10. Wala kasi akong medyas eh.
Ha? Marami ako doon.
White?
Oo nga, dami naman ko rin. Tinitiktok na kanina.
Ah, okay. Yan pala. Wala ko nadalang medyas eh.
Mura rin, nag-tiktok yun sa kanina.
Ay, ito ang ganda oh. Gusto ko yan. Magkano yan? Ang cute. Ay, ang ganda ng slippers oh. Ay, ayun. Tignan natin magkano yung mga chocolate. Para makapag-compare tayo ng price. Ay, ito. Mura na rin to. 4 each. Pero mas mura ngayon nandun. 3.
Kulang.
Hindi, 3. RM10. Medyo mahal. May kamahalan siya. Ayan, sa mga ano. Yan, mas mura. Ayan, mas mura yan. May 12. Pinaka mo. Ay, ito may 2. This 2? 250?
Yeah, 1,250.
Ah, okay. Is
For
this
pain.
pain?
For stomach pain and
As-
the diarrhea.
Oh,
How about
ano ba yan? Pamahid ba yan?
back pain?
This one not for back pain.
Just for stomach and diarrhea.
So what's for back pain?
Back pain apply only.
Is this drink?
Yeah.
Drink pala.
So what is
Roll. For roll.
For back pain, this one is so good.
38. May kamahalan na siya. Ito may 8. May 6. Baka pinapahid yan.
Stuffy nose.
Roll on.
Yeah, if you want the back pain, this one.
Ayun nga, power back pain na yun, no?
this one? I get this one.
Ayun na, may tiger balm.
Kuha na rin ako nitong isa rin.
Isa.
Head ointment.
What's the difference of white?
This one
Ay,
is
ito na lang.
This one muscle
malaki.
pain, back pain. This one for
Which is better?
This
White?
one is different. This one is headache. This one stuffy
Ito mas
nose.
maganda to.
This one inside bite.
Okay, I get one. 18 isa. So, 300 isa. Mahal.
Cute ang pera.
Ito. Ay, wait lang. Saan na ba tayo liliko? Jackfruit. Ma, ano yung jackfruit? Ma, yun yung langka, di ba? Yan, try natin isa, oh. 3 lang, oh. 1, just 1.
Oh, 5.
Ha?
5.
2 for 5 daw.
4, 5.
O, isa lang? O, ano? Dalawa na. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Pay daw, pay.
O, pati ano niya?
Buto.
Naka-blue.
You said 5. 2 for 5. Ah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Nambola pa si kuya. Sinamantala na niya. Hindi ka raw marunong magbilang ng pera eh.
Hindi marunong tumingin ng pera to.
Oh, mochi. Oh, 1 lang oh. 1 lang per stick. Ayun oh, 1. Mochi trial stick. Just 1?
1 pang 5 ringgit.
Ha?
Pang 5 ringgit.
5 ringgit. How about the mochi trial stick? No? No more. Okay. Thank you. Kaya nga. Eto na.
Yan.
Oh. Ayan.
Guyabano.
Guyabano. 1. P.
Hot Starry. Mocha.
Yes, it's the Thai tea
favorite.
One tarik as well. And then coffee.
Yeah. There, that curry.
Coffee. 6 ringgit. Are you guys taking photo? Are you guys taking photo? Ah, okay. Sorry. No, you can take a picture. May picture para sila. Ice cream, o diba 30 pesos lang. Nati, kanina lang kasi tingin sila ng tingin tapos tumigil sila sa pagpipicture. Kaya alam ko na nabala natin yung pagpipicture nila.
Kaya tuloy sila. Para tuloy sabi nila, tigilan na natin.
Hindi, baka nahiya lang talaga magsabi. Saan yun? Saan nakikita yun? Sa taas? Hindi ko alam kung saan banda. Hello? Is there Rex KL here?
Yes.
Rex KL? Just go up?
Where you want to go actually? This is actually the whole building is right.
Ah, I see. But the books?
The bookstore is
Up. Okay. Thank you.
Oh wow.
Oh, okay. Dito na kami sa Jalan Alor Street or Bukit Bintang Food Street. Mga ano nila pang souvenir. Pero mahal pa yan eh.
Magkano?
7. Malapit na mag 150. Oh, ito, 5 lang. Oh. Ay, fresh fruit. Hindi pa siya, hindi pa siya... Ayun, ang dami pagkain. Ano ba yan? Ba't naulan? Nakakainis naman. Fresh, ayan. Oh. Wala yung tigay ko. Ano, amoy Malaysia. Sir, can I put this in plastic? Oh, galing nga. Ito yung itsura niya, guys. Ano sa Pilipinas pag ano eh, pag... Ay, masarap. Parang suka. We're trying the langka. We have some unfinished barbecue. Tutusukin ko lang. Kakaiba lang yung kulay niya. Masyado siyang yellow, no? Di ba sa atin kasi...
Orange.
Yellow tayo eh.
Sa atin kasi pale yellow eh, di ba?
Yan, mustard.
Oh.
Mustard na yun, ano, hindi na siya yellow eh. Kasi ang yellow talaga, yung matingkad.
Watch our day 3 and 4 vlog in KL to see Batu Caves, Genting Islands, and the shops where we got super cheap souvenirs like coffee, chocolates, and keychains.